Toxin buildup is a common health issue that can lead to illnesses. There are numerous methods available today to assist you in removing toxin accumulation issues. Let's look at some of the best herbal kidney detox remedies. How many glasses of water do you consume each day? According to research, low water consumption is a major cause of many toxin accumulation problems. You can easily overcome this difficulty by drinking plenty of water. It is generally recommended that you drink at least 8 glasses of water per day to achieve the best results. Staying hydrated can help you improve your kidney health in a safe and natural way. A healthy diet is an important factor in kidney cleansing. People with kidney problems are generally advised to eat a low-phosphorus diet. Similar to phosphorus, it is best to limit your intake of foods high in potassium. Watermelon has been found to be a natural source for improving kidney function. It increases urination and eliminates waste from the body. Kidney stone formation is a common health issue associated with toxin accumulation. You can overcome this difficulty by consuming lemon juice on a daily basis. Lemon juice has been found to be an effective source for flushing toxins from the body. Berries, like lemon juice, are a natural cure for the toxin accumulation problem. Berries can assist your body in naturally flushing out uric acid. Cranberries, blueberries, and strawberries are just a few of the berries that can help you with the toxin removal process. Berries have been found to be high in antioxidants. It can naturally combat the free radical mechanism. This, in turn, improves the functioning of the kidney organ. Do you enjoy eating apples? Apples can assist our bodies in fighting the free radical mechanism. Apples are high in antioxidants, which reduce the risk of aging and related problems. Another natural remedy for kidney stones is pumpkin seed. It promotes kidney health by lowering the likelihood of toxin accumulation in the body. If you're looking for a natural way to treat toxin accumulation, pumpkin seeds are a great option. Certain herbal remedies have been found to be extremely effective in improving kidney health. Ginger is one such herbal remedy. Many products for treating kidney cleanse now include ginger extract as a key ingredient. Try taking ginger tablets twice a day for best results. Turmeric, like ginger, is an excellent cure for kidney cleanse. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and antiseptic properties. It naturally treats kidney inflammation and improves its function. Thank you for watching, and may this information useful for you.